Well, you have been given a task to execute in C programming, where you are supposed to check if a given patient meets some criteria, then the drug is administered. And our determinant here is age. If you are 9 years and below, then you'll be given that should be polio immunization or vaccination for polio. If you are beyond that, you will not be given. So you just want to write a simple program to determine whether the client whose age has been entered is eligible or not eligible for vaccination. So we would want to just say that our program to determine say vaccine polio, not just anything, polio vaccination eligibility. So this is of course a comment. So what are we going to do here? We are going to define a variable here, and that variable we can call it age. Variable is simply age. That's what you enter, and then from there you get your answer from here when you test. So we are agreeing that maybe let's add another comment. Age below between, is it between? No. Age is equal any age which is, when age is less or equal to 9, then eligible. Otherwise not qualified. So we want to check and test that. We are going to say just allow the person or the doctor in that hospital to enter some value, printer, and to ask them to enter the age of the patient. Enter the age of the patient, and we are going to allow this to be read on a new line. And then we are saving scanf percentage I, ampersand. This time we are using age, and then we will say if, and we are saying if age is less or equal to 9, if age is less or equal to 9, then we want to do this block of statements. We are going to say printf your age is percent, that click size and integer. Your age is percent, and you qualify for vaccination. Vaccination. Just like that. Otherwise, we need to say, let's copy the same, paste it here. Your age is, when you say, it's now the statement which will determine what is going to be done. You do not qualify for vaccination. So let's try test our program by doing that quickly. Let's enter some age like this. Your age is that if you do not qualify for vaccination, that is true, but there is something on the issue of calling. So we need to call that particular age in every of these elements so that we are able to initialize it. Let's run it again, and then we enter that value. UR is, that is not English. Your age is 24 and you do not qualify for vaccination. What happens when we do the other way? Maybe you was 8. You realize that your age is 8 and you qualify for vaccination. Your age is 8 and you do not qualify. So it gives us the two things. So to evade that problem that we are facing at the moment, we would need to introduce a block here called else. Then we close this things like this, just like that. And now when you run it and you enter 5, you simply have 1. And that is it, how to do that calculation, determining a value using a condition, and then you determine the outcome, and that is it. Thank you for watching.